Welcome, it's Samson Doodle, and today we're unboxing and setting up a 12-foot elf. This is an inflatable, and I think this is a very cool inflatable.
And in this video, we're going to go through an unboxing and share some of our best tips. First, we want to know if anybody knows if Melisher means elf in a different language. Let us know in the comments below. First thing we always do is lay everything out, grab the instructions, and look for any notes. With this inflatable, you need to fill your own sandbags. We happen to have some lying around, so we use some from an old inflatable that was broken. You add those to a small zippered area at the base in order to give it a little stability. Next thing we did is plug it in so we can inflate and find all the contact points for all the tie downs so we can secure him once he's upright. We left him down on the ground for this, so it was easier to locate and then tie our rope, which we use a butcher's knot, which gives you a secure contact but has a little give, so in the breeze it will move and not break the tie downs. After raising them up, it's time to stake down those tie down points and the anchors in the ground. Skip the ones that come with it. Those plastic ones are trash and will break, as you saw from one we tested. Get yourself some metal ones like this, get them in the ground started, step on them so they're securely there, and then you're tied in, good to go.
We hope you enjoyed unboxing this 12-foot elf as much as we did. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Have a great day, and we hope you enjoyed.